So hi guys, I bought a phone with my own savings. Tinigom, it's like that, and it goes like this. So let's open this. But before that, there is a 256 gigabytes plus 8 GB, and I chose this 8 GB because it's not laggy. This is this Techno Spark Go 2 with 120 hertz and then IP64 dust and water resistance. And yes, it is a color black. So let's open this one. And yes, nang gi-install ni siya sa mall. This is it looks like an iPhone 16, right? So I serve this as a Christmas gift for myself. So this is a charger, and this have a 5000 milliampere and type C. So we have a uh, what is this? So let's try the camera. So this phone I use, this is a Vivo Y16. Yes. Did you see that it has a front flashlight? I guess. Yes, this phone kuno nihatag sa akong dad since he is the one who doesn't have a phone in his work job.
Siya nga ba? Ngunit ang dami namang kaagaw. Di bale na, sino ba naman ako para piliin niya, diba? Ayoko nang ipilit ang sarili sa'yo.